Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. I am making slime today.
What's your name?
My name is Shivanshi. I study in Vidya and am in Vidya High School. In the one I have a gloves, bottle for the slime cup, container, the magic powder, glue, spoon,
Stirrer. That is called.
stirrer,
And what is this?
cup,
No.
measuring cup.
No. Just check over here again. See this? What is this? Beaker.
Beaker,
Okay, and this is
container for slime,
very good. And this is stirrer.
stirrer,
Great.
yeah, spoon, yeah, glue.
Now we will start.
We'll start first.
Process now.
I have to
Put all the
glue.
full. पूरा निकलना चाहिए. Okay.
Yeah, have a glue.
Show us. Show us fully. See, put it straight. Much. See in the book.
24.
24 है कि 25 है क्या है? ओके पानी निकालो वो छोड़ो हाँ
Mixing water.
ओके एंड you'll put this in the glue. Great. नीचे रख लो.
See. I forgot.
क्या? What happened?
I forgot to wear my gloves.
It's okay. Please wear the other one. You have to fix. You have to use your brain and fix your hands.
Wait a moment.
I will move this little bit. Yes. Very good. Superb. The other glove.
Make slime.
Oh my God! Keep it. No hands. No hands. Wash it. Use the stick. Use the stick. करो एकदम टाइट से ऊपर से नीचे धीरे धीरे. फास्ट करने से नहीं होता ये, स्लो करने से होता है. यस. ऊपर से नीचे पूरा मिक्स करो. ऊपर से नीचे पूरा मिक्स. नो 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 थोड़ा बच गया है. What are you making, Shivanshi? What was that magic? Yes, you have to put everything in that now. Yes, keep rolling the stick. Yes, अपने आप हो जाएगा. Keep rolling. Superb job.
So sticky.
That is how the slime is ना. Keep doing. नीचे don't